right, now it's getting fun. We need to make our enemy ships move across the screen, and we're going to do that. Now, we've been clicking over here in resources and clicking the object to add different things like create events and do things like that. But we're in this room here, and we have instance properties room over on the left-hand side, and you can see here that this is the instances that live inside of this room. And we drug 4 of those objects over there. So there are 4 separate object instances listed, and each one of them has been given a separate code. Now that's important because if we want to treat them all as one object, we're going to use this over here. And if we want to treat them as individual objects, we're going to use this over here. So what we're going to do is we want to make each one move across the screen, and we could change the speed. We could do all kinds of different things, but we're going to click on these enemy objects, double click them, and they're going to open up here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit creation code, and it's going to give us our creation code. So when this is created, we're going to say, let's go ahead and say set a direction. Let's make it move towards our ship that way. And let's set a speed. Let's tell it to move it at a speed of 2. All right, let's go ahead and go back in. We can close these boxes, by the way, by clicking the little X, and it doesn't go away. Nothing deletes when you close those X's. And we can also center our entire workspace by clicking the center fit button up here, and it brings it all back for us. So we added the speed to that one. Let's go ahead and play it and see what happens. There it goes. We have our one object moving towards our ships. That's great. This is fun. Now, this is very simple. Keep that in mind. We're going to get a lot more advanced in later on, and your students are going to now be able to take that simple knowledge and start to do all kinds of things. We can create paths for the ships. We can make the ships chase the other ship. There's a lot of things that we can do in the future, but for the simple game, we just want to get the basics down, and it's really going to help them understand how to work the overall systems. All right, let's go ahead and click into the other ship, the second ship, and let's go to creation code, and let's tell it to move. And we want it to move in that direction, and let's set that speed to 1.5, so it's a little slower. Let's change this one, and creation code, same thing. We're going to go down, set the direction. Let's have this guy go at a speed of 3. He's a super fast ship. And let's go into the last one, creation code, movement, direction, set speed, and let's do a 2 again. Now, you can have a lot of fun with this. Your kids are going to play around with this, and it's totally okay to let them kind of explore it as long as you get them to finish the project kind of the way that you envision needing it to be to move forward. So the steps that I'm showing you here really would get you to a place where now they can build upon it and make the game a finished product in the end. Let's see what happens. There we go. Look at our ships. They're just doing all kinds of different things. Ah, yes, that's going to be good. And now what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to move and shoot at them, and right now the bullets are just passing clean through, but we're going to fix that right now.